Hi, my name is Aaron Wang, and thanks for tuning in this episode of Product Introduction, powered by iStarUSA Group. These chassis are from the E-Storm Rugged series. What does the word rugged mean? From iStarUSA, it means that it's durable, it's simple, straight to the point, and it's functional. Today we're going to be talking about E-204L and the E-306L, the 2U and 3U chassis that will help your data center perform at its best. Let's start at the front with a very simple and straightforward design. As you can see here, there are 4 5¼ inch bay drives and 2 3½ inch bay drives. You put your optical as well as your hard drive cages in here for hot swap capability. Over here we have the USB, the light for power, alarm reset, and of course the power on switch. Let's take a look at the side. On the side, there are 2 major advantages, and there are the vent holes. You can release the heat from the front as well as the back. Standard 25-inch length. It's a long chassis, so you can fit more stuff inside. So it'll require a longer rail, which we do provide. You can try our TC rail series. Let's take a look at the back. Again, we have the 2U power supply slot, server power supply, of course, the standard I/O plate, and extra holes for ventilation, and the 7 expansion slots. Of course, we have the thumb screw for easy access. Move the top panel, basically almost with one hand. Alright, let's take a look inside. Over here, there's room for the extended ATX, MATX, or ATX motherboard. Of course, you'll be putting your low profile PCI cards over here. And here's enough length for a 2U server power supply. And this chassis also features 4 80mm fans. They're secured by thumb screws, which you can remove easily. And for repair, over here are the Molex connectors that powers the fans. Remove them, switch a pop a new one in, and you have your machine running up in no time. Of course, the whole purpose of this chassis is to provide an easy maintenance and serve at a very rugged and tough environment. And therefore, we have the 1.6mm steel case that protects your data inside. Another really cool feature I want to show you about this chassis is this modular top panel design. Let's say you only want to service the front, not the back. This chassis is cool enough that if you remove only the front, you can unscrew the holes over here and only lift up the top panels. And at this point, everything is right in front of you. You got optical drives over here, and you got your 3.5-inch drive over here as well. So if you need any repairs of the optical drives or any hard drives, they're all right here in front of you. E-306L has a very similar layout to the 2U204L, except that in the front you see the additional drive bay on the bottom, additional 3.5-inch floppy bays up here, but everything else is pretty much the same. And also, if you want to take a look at the top panel, also a modularized panel design, but in this case, you got the optical drive cages here, so more security and protection for your machines and equipment. Of course, you can remove the screw and remove the drive cage, or you can install, put them back in. Over here, same length, 25 inches, and we have additional, a little bit wider air ventilation holes over here, and in the front, You got more data in there of a 3U, so you need more heat dissipation ability. And of course, you can also put a TC rail series over here, so you can mount that on your data center racks and cabinets. Let's take a look at the back. Over here again, a 2U power supply and the standard I/O plate, and a full size, 7 standard PCI slots. And I'm going to open up the other part of the panel. So this is the interior of the 306L, and over here is for your server grade power supply. And here will be your motherboard, again eATX, ATX and MATX welcome. Extra bar for your chassis body to be secured, as well as securing your power supply and holding down your PCI. Now, similar to the 2U, you also have the 80mm fans, the 4 of them, and remove by thumb screw, and the Molex powered. And if they're ever broken, unscrew them, replace them, and pop them back in. They should be ready to go. In addition, we also have 2 60mm fans over here at the end, so that provides extra power fan and generation to get the heat out of your chassis. So we talked about the E-204L and the E-306L today. Their rugged design is made to be durable and straightforward for all your application needs. In your data center, these are the Rackmount chassis that you must have. E-Storm series rugged chassis. For more information, please visit www.iStarUSA.com. Hit the iStarUSA icon to find these products. Thanks for watching, and have a great one.